Welcome, friend. My name is Zeno. Welcome to this I Am Walking meditation. This is your time now. This is our time. Whatever worries, concerns, and issues you have in your life, now it's time to connect with the truth of your being right here, right now. So I invite you to move from thinking for just a moment to feeling, to start to feel the presence and the truth of your being right here, right now. The truth of what it is you have always been. And with each step now, as you walk, as you start to feel each step, feel yourself emptying out yourself with all worries, beliefs, ideas, notions, not original to your nature. You have always been right here, right now. This is the truth of your being, the knowingness that you exist, the knowingness of yourself as I am. No add-ons. You are perfection and always have always been here. And with every step now, feel for just the next few minutes, feel yourself emptying out everything. Every worry, every belief, every circumstance, everything that has been added on to you just for a few moments. With every step, feel yourself becoming more empty, more vast, more real, more now. I invite you, with every step now, feel each step and feel yourself becoming more empty. Empty out everything for just a moment. Everything. Every idea and belief. Everything that you've been carrying around with you. This is your time now. This is your time to release yourself from anything not original to you. From thinking to feeling. Feel your breath. Feel your body. Feel the air against your skin. Right here, right now. Put your feeling into everything that you can experience physically, every step. Your breath, just being alive. Be right here, right now. Connect with the truth once again and the totality of what it is you are. Pristine. Perfection. You have always been right here, right now. This silence within. This silent, wise energy. You have never gone anywhere. Keep feeling every step, your breath, and just continue just letting go. Let go of everything. Just a moment, allow yourself to be. No more mental striving. Let go of any mental effort in any direction. Just come to a complete stop internally. No striving, nothing to do. Just walking with the knowingness and the feeling that you exist. You are this, my friend. You are this silence, this wisdom, feel each step, every breath. Listen to the sounds around you. Immerse yourself into your environment. From thinking to feeling everything. Just keep emptying out and just keep letting go. Feel yourself becoming more alive, more real, more now. You have never felt so alive, so fresh, so true. And now as you feel yourself being completely empty, say to yourself and feel the question, feel the affirmation, feel the answer. I am free. Feel freedom within. Feel freedom rising up within you. Feel the feeling of freedom all around you, and you are that. I am free. Thank you. I am joy. I am joy. Feel joy. See yourself and feel yourself as joy right now. You are full of joy. It is rising up within you. All around you, you are that. Thank you. I am incredibly healthy. I am so healthy. Thank you. Feel health. Feel yourself as incredibly healthy. With every step, feel health rising up within you. You are health. You have always been this. Thank you. I am wise. I am wise. With every step, feel wisdom rising up within you. You have always been wise. You are that. Thank you. I am incredibly wealthy. Feel wealth and yourself being wealthy right now. I am incredibly abundant. I am wealthy. Feel wealth within you rising up. Feel that you are that. Thank you. I am grateful. I am so grateful for everything. I am gratitude itself. Feel gratitude with every step. I am so grateful for everything. I am that. Feel your breath, feel every step, feel your body, feel the knowingness that you exist right now. You have always been right here, right now. You have never left, my friend. I am love. I am love itself. Yes, I have always been full of love. I am love. Feel love rising up within you. You are that. You have always been love. See it flowing up within you from all around you. You are that. Feel yourself, see yourself as that. Listen to the sounds. Feel your breath. Feel your beingness right here, right now. My friend, you have never gone anywhere. You have always been this. The silence within, wisdom, joy, abundance, kindness, love, appreciation, that you have never gone anywhere. And you are everything. This is the truth of your being. You are everything. I am everything. I am everything. I have always been everything. I have never needed anything. I am all, and all is me. I am eternal. I am eternal. I have always been right here, right now. I am that I am. My friend, you have never needed anything. You have always been right here, right now, as everything. The truth of your being, the peace, the silence, all of it, you have always been that. You have never been on a journey. You have never gone anywhere. You always had everything. You are this beauty. You are this wonder. You are absolutely incredible, my friend. And it's time that you recognize this truth every single day. Bring a little more of this truth into your life. The feeling, the knowingness, the experience of yourself as this perfection. I am perfection. I have always been perfection. Feel it, see it. Everything has always been perfection, and you are that. For the next few moments, my friend, we'll take a few more steps, a few more breaths, and just allow this knowingness to sink deeper into our soul. Take this feeling and this knowingness into your day. Allow it to be more part of you. Allow yourself to move through life with this knowingness. No more searching, no more looking, no more wanting. Just continuously come back to this recognition. You have always been right here, right now. You have always been I am, my friend. And what you decide to add on to yourself, that is your choice. And you have always been perfection. Who you are becomes your experience. And behind the scenes, you are always the silence within, this knowingness, this presence. I am wishing you a fantastic day. Thank you for this walk together, my friend. Please comment, I'll respond. I love you. Till next time.